Hello and welcome to Innovations GK Quiz. In this video, you will get top 100 GK questions with their answers. So stay with us till the end of this video. Check your knowledge and update yourself. Let's start. Question number 1. What is the boiling point of water? A 50 degrees Celsius, B 100 degrees Celsius, C 200 degrees Celsius, D 0 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? A Earth, B Jupiter, C Mars, D Saturn. Correct answer C Mars. Question number 3. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C nitrogen, D helium. Correct answer B carbon dioxide. Question number 4. What is the largest organ in the human body? A liver, B heart, C skin and D brain. Correct answer C skin. Question number 5. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A root, B stem, C leaf, D flower. Correct answer C leaf. Question number 6. What is the value of pi up to 2 decimal places? A 3.12, B 3.14, C 3.16, D 3.18. Correct answer B 3.14. Question number 7. What is the square root of 64? A 6, B 7, C 8, D 9. Correct answer is C 8. Question number 8. How many sides does a hexagon have? A 5, B 6, C 7, D 8. Correct answer is B 6. Question number 9. What is 15% of 200? A 15, B 20, C 25, D 30. Correct answer is D 30. Question number 10. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 10 cm and width 5 cm? A 15 cm, B 25 cm, C 30 cm and D 40 cm. Correct answer C 30 cm. Question number 11. Who was the first president of the United States? A. George Washington, B. Abraham Lincoln, C. Thomas Jefferson, D. John Adams. Correct answer A. George Washington. Question number 12. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? A. Roman, B. Greek, C. Egyptian and D. Persian. Correct answer is C. Egyptian. Question number 13. In which year did World War II end? A. 1939, B. 1941, C. 1945, D. 1947. Correct answer C. 1945. Question number 14. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Buzz Aldrin, D. Michael Collins. Correct answer B. Neil Armstrong. Question number 15. Which explorer discovered America in 1492? A. Ferdinand Magellan, B. Marco Polo, C. Christopher Columbus, D. James Cook. Correct answer C. Christopher Columbus. Question number 16. Which is the largest continent by area? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Europe, D. Antarctica. Correct answer B. Asia. Question number 17. Which river is the longest in the world? A. Amazon, B. Mississippi, C. Yangtze and D. Nile. Correct answer D. Nile. Question number 18. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin, B. Madrid, C. Paris, D. Rome. Correct answer C. Paris. Question number 19. Which ocean is the smallest by surface area? A. Atlantic, B. Indian, C. Southern, D. Arctic. Correct answer D. Arctic. Question number 20. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China, B. Japan, C. India and D. South Korea. Correct answer B. Japan. Question number 21. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens, B. Jane Austen, C. Mark Twain, D. William Shakespeare. Correct answer D. William Shakespeare. Question number 22. Which book series is about a young wizard named Harry? A. Percy Jackson, B. The Chronicle of Narnia, C. Harry Potter, D. The Hunger Games. Correct answer is C. Harry Potter. Question number 23. Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? A. Mark Twain, B. J.K. Rowling, C. Ernest Hemingway, D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Correct answer A. Mark Twain. Question number 24. Who is the author of Matilda? A. Roald Dahl, B. J.R.R. Tolkien, C. C.S. Lewis, D. Lewis Carroll. Correct answer A. Roald Dahl. Question number 25. Which book features the characters Frodo and Gandalf? A. The Chronicles of Narnia, B. Harry Potter, C. Hobbit, D. The Lord of the Rings. Correct answer D. The Lord of the Rings. Question number 26. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Hygrometer, and D. Anemometer. Correct answer is B. Thermometer. Question number 27. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison, B. Nikola Tesla, C. Alexander Graham Bell, D. Giulio Marconi. Correct answer C. Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 28. What is the main ingredient in bread? A. Sugar, B. Rice, C. Flour, D. Salt. Correct answer C. Flour. Question number 29. What is the chemical symbol for water? A. H2, B. O2, C. CO2, D. H2O. Correct answer D. H2O. Question number 30. What is the smallest prime number? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. Correct answer C. 2. Question number 31. In which sport is the term love used? A. Basketball, B. Football, C. Tennis, D. Cricket. Correct answer C. Tennis. Question number 32. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? A. Brazil, B. Italy, C. Germany, D. Argentina. Correct answer A. Brazil. Question number 33. Who holds the record for the most home runs in a single MLB season? A. Babe Ruth, B. Hank Aaron, C. Sammy Sosa, and D. Barry Bonds. Correct answer D. Barry Bonds. Question number 34. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Karate, B. Sumo wrestling, C. Judo, D. Baseball. Correct answer B. Sumo wrestling. Question number 35. Which athlete is known as the fastest man in the world? A. Carl Lewis, B. Usain Bolt, C. Michael Phelps, D. Mohammad Farah. Correct answer B. Usain Bolt. Question number 36. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Vincent van Gogh, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Leonardo da Vinci, D. Michelangelo. Correct answer C. Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 37. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomatoes, B. Peppers, C. Onions, and D. Avocados. Correct answer D. Avocados. Question number 38. In which country did the Olympic Games originate? A. Italy, B. France, C. Greece, D. Egypt. Correct answer C. Greece. Question number 39. What is a haiku? A. A type of dance, B. A Japanese poem, C. A musical instrument, D. A traditional Japanese dress. Correct answer B. A Japanese poem. Question number 40. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? A. Germany, B. Italy, C. France, D. Spain. Correct answer C. France. Question number 41. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit, B. Central Programming Unit, C. Central Power Unit, D. Central Performance Unit. Correct answer A. Central Processing Unit. Question number 42. Which device is used to print documents? A. Monitor, B. Scanner, C. Printer, D. Keyboard. Correct answer C. Printer. Question number 43. What is the most widely used operating system? A. Linux, B. Mac OS, C. Windows, D. Android. Correct answer C. Windows. Question number 44. Who is known as the father of computers? A. Charles Babbage, B. Alan Turing, C. Bill Gates, D. Steve Jobs. Correct answer A. Charles Babbage. Question number 45. What is the shortcut for copying text in most computers? A. Control plus C, B. Control plus V, C. Control plus X, D. Control plus Z. Correct answer A. Control plus C. Question number 46. What is the largest rainforest in the world? A. Congo rainforest, B. Amazon rainforest, C. Daintree rainforest, D. Valdivian rainforest. Correct answer is B. Amazon rainforest. Question number 47. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is C. Nitrogen. Question number 48. Which layer of the earth is the hottest? A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Outer core, D. Inner core. Correct answer is D. Inner core. Question number 49. What is the process by which plants make their food? A. Respiration, B. Transpiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Digestion. Correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Question number 50. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Elephant, B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Bear. Correct answer is C. Lion. Question number 51. Who is the current president of the United States as of 2024? A. Donald Trump, B. Joe Biden, C. Barack Obama, D. Kamala Harris. Correct answer is B. Joe Biden. Question number 52. Which country will host the 2024 Summer Olympics? A. Japan, B. USA, C. France, D. Brazil. Correct answer is C. France. Question number 53. What is the name of latest iPhone model as of 2024? A. iPhone 12, B. iPhone 13, C. iPhone 14, D. iPhone 15. Correct answer is D. iPhone 15. Question number 54. Which company owns the social media platform Instagram? A. Twitter, B. Google, C. Microsoft, D. Meta Facebook. Correct answer is D. Meta Facebook. Question number 55. What is the capital city of India? A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, C. New Delhi, D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is C. New Delhi. Question number 56. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, and D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is D. Vitamin D. Question number 57. What is the common name for the medical condition myopia? A. Nearsightedness, B. Farsightedness, C. Astigmatism, D. Glaucoma. Correct answer is A. Nearsightedness. Question number 58. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? A. Lungs, B. Liver, C. Brain, D. Heart. Correct answer is D. Heart. Question number 59. What is the most common blood type? A, B, B, C, AB, D, O. Correct answer is D, O. Question number 60. Which nutrient is essential for strong bones and teeth? A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Vitamin C, D. Protein. Correct answer is B. Calcium. Question number 61. What is the closest planet to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mars, D. Mercury. Correct answer is D. Mercury. Question number 62. How many moons does Jupiter have? A. 53, B. 67, C. 79, D. 89. Correct answer is C. 79. Question number 63. What galaxy do we live in? A. Andromeda Galaxy, B. Milky Way Galaxy, C. Triangulum Galaxy, and D. Whirlpool Galaxy. Correct answer is B. Milky Way Galaxy. Question number 64. Who was the first woman to go to space? A. Valentina Tereshkova, B. Sally Ride, C. Mae Jemison, D. Kalpana Chawla. Correct answer is A. Valentina Tereshkova. Question number 65. What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? A. Hubble Space Telescope, B. Kepler Space Telescope, C. James Webb Space Telescope, and D. Spitzer Space Telescope. Correct answer is A. Hubble Space Telescope. Question number 66. What is the most spoken language in the world? A. English, B. Spanish, C. Hindi, D. Mandarin Chinese. Correct answer is D. Mandarin Chinese. Question number 67. Which language is known as the language of love? A. Spanish, B. French, C. Italian, D. Portuguese. Correct answer is B. French. Question number 68. How many letters are in the English alphabet? A. 24, B. 25, C. 26, D. 27. Correct answer is C. 26. Question number 69. Which language is spoken in Brazil? A. Spanish, B. Portuguese, C. Italian, D. French. Correct answer is B. Portuguese. Question number 70. What is the official language of Japan? A. Korean, B. Chinese, C. Japanese, D. Thai. Correct answer is C. Japanese. Question number 71. Who invented the light bulb? A. Thomas Edison, B. Nikola Tesla, C. Alexander Graham Bell, D. Benjamin Franklin. Correct answer is A. Thomas Edison. Question number 72. What was the first successful powered airplane called? A. Spirit of St. Louis, B. Wright Flyer, C. Concorde, D. Boeing 747. Correct answer is B. Wright Flyer. Question number 73. Who invented the World Wide Web? A. Steve Jobs, B. Bill Gates, C. Tim Berners-Lee, D. Mark Zuckerberg. Correct answer is C. Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 74. Which invention is Alexander Fleming famous for? A. Telephone, B. Penicillin, C. Radio, D. Steam engine. Correct answer is B. Penicillin. Question number 75. Who invented the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Galileo Galilei, and D. Stephen Hawking. Correct answer is B. Albert Einstein. Question number 76. Which bird is known for its colorful plumage and ability to mimic sound? A. Eagle, B. Parrot, C. Sparrow, D. Owl. Correct answer is B. Parrot. Question number 77. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe, D. Hippopotamus. Correct answer is B. Blue whale. Question number 78. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah, B. Lion, C. Gazelle, D. Leopard. Correct answer is A. Cheetah. Question number 79. Which plant is known as the king of fruits? A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Mango, D. Orange. Correct answer is C. Mango. Question number 80. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. K2, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Mount Everest, D. Lhotse. Correct answer is C. Mount Everest. Question number 81. Who is the king of the Greek gods? A. Poseidon, B. Hades, C. Zeus, D. Apollo. Correct answer is C. Zeus. Question number 82. In Roman mythology, who is the goddess of love? A. Athena, B. Hera, C. Venus, D. Artemis. Correct answer is C. Venus. Question number 83. Which Norse god is associated with thunder? A. Loki, B. Odin, C. Thor, D. Frieza. Correct answer is C. Thor. Question number 84. Who is the Egyptian god of the sun? A. Anubis, B. Osiris, C. Ra, D. Horus. Correct answer is C. Ra. Question number 85. In Hindu mythology, who is the god of destruction? A. Brahma, B. Vishnu, C. Shiva, D. Indra. Correct answer is C. Shiva. Question number 86. Who is known as the king of pop? A. Elvis Presley, B. Michael Jackson, C. Justin Bieber, D. Prince. Correct answer is B. Michael Jackson. Question number 87. Which instrument has 88 keys? A. Guitar, B. Violin, C. Piano, D. Flute. Correct answer is C. Piano. Question number 88. Who composed the famous classical piece Furales? A. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, B. Ludwig van Beethoven, C. Johann Sebastian Bach, D. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. Correct answer is B. Ludwig van Beethoven. Question number 89. Which genre of music is associated with Bob Marley? A. Jazz, B. Rock, C. Classical, D. Rag. Correct answer is D. Rag. Question number 90. Who was the lead singer of the band Queen? A. David Bowie, B. Mick Jagger, C. Freddie Mercury, D. Elton John. Correct answer is C. Freddie Mercury. Question number 91. Who is known as the father of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 92. Who discovered penicillin? A. Marie Curie, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Alexander Fleming, D. Jonas Salk. Correct answer is C. Alexander Fleming. Question number 93. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Pratibha Patil, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Sushma Swaraj. Correct answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Question number 94. Who is known for the theory of evolution? A. Albert Einstein, B. Isaac Newton, C. Charles Darwin, D. Gregor Mendel. Correct answer is C. Charles Darwin. Question number 95. Who was the first African American president of USA? A. Martin Luther King Jr., B. Nelson Mandela, C. Barack Obama, D. Jesse Jackson. Correct answer is C. Barack Obama. Question number 96. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? A. Apple, B. Mango, C. Banana, D. Pineapple. Correct answer is B. Mango. Question number 97. Which vegetable is known to improve eyesight? A. Tomato, B. Potato, C. Carrot, D. Cabbage. Correct answer is C. Carrot. Question number 98. What is tofu made from? A. Wheat, B. Soyabeans, C. Rice, D. Corn. Correct answer is B. Soyabeans. Question number 99. Which spice is known as the most expensive by weight? A. Saffron, B. Cinnamon, C. Cardamom, D. Cloves. Correct answer is A. Saffron. Question number 100. Which country is famous for sushi? A. China, B. Japan, C. Thailand, D. Korea. Correct answer is B. Japan. Thanks for watching this video. These videos are prepared targeting to international GK Olympiads. For watching more videos of this kind, please subscribe our channel. Share this video to your family and friends and let us know the next topic on which you want us to make video. Thank you.